How to send campaign email in Brevo. So first, go to your account and then click on campaigns here at the top left. Okay, now once you're here, you just need to either open up one of your campaigns here or just click on create a new one or create campaign here at the top. Okay, now once you're here, you just need to click on email and then just select regular and then click on, type in your campaign name. So I'm just going to type in test1, and then if you want to add it to a folder, you can do that. So I'm just click on campaign here, create campaign. Now here you just need to, since we're done with the sender, which is us, and then you can just click on recipients, add recipients here, and then you can begin adding recipients from here. Okay, now once you've done that, make sure you click on save. Okay, once we're done with recipients, you can just click on subject, add subject, and then just type in your subject line here and then your preview text. Okay, you can see what it would look like here on their inbox. Okay, now click on save. Now once you're done that, you can just begin designing your email content. Okay, click on start designing. Now here you can use your templates, campaign emails, or you can just use the pre-built templates here. So let's say I'm going to use the ready to use. Let's just click on use template. Okay, now here you can begin editing it however you want to fit your taste. Then you can see the options here. You can begin adding blocks here, something like that. Then if you want to add a text, you can do that as well. So you can just begin editing here. And then once you're done editing this, you can just click on save and quit. And then it'll show you what it would look like. So if you want to preview it, just click on preview and test. Okay, and then if you want to add additional settings, you can just click on edit settings, and then here you can just customize the settings here. Okay, now once you're done customizing it, you can just click on save. Okay, once you've done all of that, you can just go to the top, and then you can see your schedule here. Just click on schedule and then begin scheduling this campaign. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.